Rotarian Anup Mittal is a man who believes in the philosophy that a dream does not become reality through magic. It takes sweat, determination, and hard work. He belongs to a family of Rotarians of 3 generations. He is born and brought up in a social and religious family of Ajmer, Rajasthan. His grandfather was a colonizer. His father, Rotarian Brajeshwar Prasad Mittal, is a civil engineer and has been a very active Rotarian from the last 3 decades. Anup had a progressive academic record. He has been a qualified electronics engineer, a master's in management degree in banking and insurance, and is also an educated lawyer. In his engineering days, Anup became the captain of college cricket team, badminton team, and was also the chess champion of his time. Anup served at different corporate positions with Rockwell Automation, and he worked for 2 years at its Cleveland office in USA. With his hard work and passion, Anup started his own business of industrial automation in India, which soon became a leading name in the field of automation, CNCs, and robotics. Currently, he is the managing director of MS Marine Automation Private Limited. His business is representing German and Japanese corporations in India and serving most of the corporates and defense manufacturing sector. He is also the recipient of Udyog Patra Award for the self-made entrepreneurs by the Institute of Trade and Industrial Development. Anup has travelled to more than 27 countries in his journey of becoming a Rotarian. Anup has written his own success story. He has served all the positions in the board of directors at the club level and has been a focused club trainer for years. It is the result of his sheer hard work that during his leadership as club president, the club achieved 100% PHF status, array status, hosted GSE team, and was one of the highest blood collection club. For his outstanding efforts as club president, he was awarded the prestigious Chaman Lal Gupta Memorial Trophy for his distinguished Rotary services and many more Rotary prestigious recognitions during the year. He has served in the district core team continuously for the last decade and recognized and awarded by each district governor for his outstanding contributions. Anup Mittal is truly a symbol of leadership in the district. Among his accolades include Chairman Rotary District Diwali Fellowship, District Director Community Service Projects, District Chairman Raila, District Director Membership Development and Extension, Conference Commandant, District Chairman Intercity, District Chairman Interact, District Director Paul Harris Society, and District Chairman K2K Rally. Anup is a life member of Rotary Cancer Foundation and is a founder member of Rotary Habitat Center. He was Governor's Special Representative for chartering 4 new Rotary clubs and was instrumental in organizing Friendship Exchange team from USA and Russia. He served as member of Election Nominating Committee for District Governor election. He is a recipient of District Running Trophy PP Rotarian Pradeep Chopra Memorial Trophy for the hands-on Rotarian of the district. Recipient of Governor's Ratna Award for exemplary support to Rotary and awarded as Best Batsman at Rotary Cricket Tournament. He is trained by Rotary Leadership Institute for training the presidents and secretaries of the Rotary clubs. He has served as a member of organizing team of Rotary South Asia Summit, held at Hyderabad, recipient of Gentleman Golfer recognition during the Rotary South Asia Golf Tournament at Bangalore, participated in the Rotary Literacy Summit at Kolkata and attended Rotary Convention at Atlanta, USA. He was a member of Rotary Friendship Exchange team to Turkey and attended meetings of various Rotary clubs. both abroad and in India during various foreign and domestic trips. Anup is currently serving as a member of Rotary Indo-Pak International Peace Committee and a member of Rotary India Water Conservation Trust at national level. Anup is an active member of Rotary South Asian Fellowship Golfing Rotarians. During his tenure in Rotary, Anup got opportunity to work and meet with Rotary world leaders around the world and served as their aide, including Rotary International President, Rotary International Directors and TRF trustees. Anup's better half, his wife Shruti, is a dietitian and has varied interest in music, art, reading and homemaking. She too is a very active Rotarian and always stood by Anup's side during his Rotary journey. Rotarian Shruti is a charter member of Rotary Club of Delhi, Femina, and served as a club trainer for few years. Shruti is the recipient of District Running Trophy Best RN Award of the district and recognized by many district governors for her support towards Rotary services. This passionate couple is blessed with 2 sons. Elder son Manoj has done his schooling from Mayo College, Ajmer, and is currently pursuing Masters in Business Administration Finance from University of Rochester. He is the first dual road track Rotary member of District 3011. Manoj served as a district road track representative and was awarded Best Year of South Asia. He was invited by Rotary International as speaker during the Road Track International Conventions. Younger son Arun has done his schooling from Mayo College, Ajmer, and is currently pursuing schooling at Modern School, Barakhamba, New Delhi. He is an Interact. Both Anup and his wife are major donor. All children of family, including both sons, are Paul Harris Fellows. Anup is fond of golf, reading books, trying new delicacies, and watching movies. He is a part of various social, religious, and business organizations and is on the management committees of few of them. Ladies and gentlemen, please put your hands together for a self-made man with a vision and intention to take Rotary District to great heights. The District Governor, Anup Mittal.